Apply this mask, we'll have to remove sagging facial skin and wrinkles quickly. We will look so much younger if our face has no wrinkles and sagging skin. Fortunately, we can get rid of this skin problem without any expensive anti-wrinkle treatments and products. Just apply this natural facial mask that will help you remove sagging facial skin and wrinkles quickly. This mixture is very cheap and all natural. It is made from some natural ingredients available in our kitchen. The preparation is also so easy. In only 2 minutes, you will have for yourself a natural and effective mask to remove sagging skin and wrinkles on your face. You will look younger and have a lot of confidence in a short time. Before showing the recipe, we hope you tell us your age and the skin areas you want to get rid of wrinkles. We will provide wrinkles removal recipe right for your age and skin condition. Then click to the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next videos. And here's how to make this amazing mask. Firstly, you need to prepare honey. Honey contains multiple antioxidants. When using honey for the skin, its antioxidant benefits help fight off the free radicals and protect the skin from damage. These free radicals destroy the collagen level in the skin. When the collagen level starts to decrease, our skin becomes saggy and wrinkles. This recipe only needs a half of a teaspoon honey added into a small bowl. Next, combine honey with activated charcoal powder. When used on the skin, this powder helps bind the oil and dirt in the pores and pulls them out. This clears the pores and makes them look smaller, thus making a smoother skin surface. Add 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder into the bowl along with honey. The next is an optional ingredient. If you don't have it, go to the next step. It is Bentonite Clay. Adding this ingredient in the mask will help to heal damaged skin tissues and assist in the regeneration of new skin cells. In this way, it helps remove wrinkles and tighten the skin. Moreover, Bentonite Clay retains moisture and removes excess of oil, leaving your skin feeling firmer than usual. Add a half of a teaspoon of Bentonite Clay into the bowl. Next, you will need to add 2 drops of Lavender Essential Oil into the bowl. The Lavender Essential Oil contains antioxidant properties that rejuvenate the skin to combat the signs of aging and wrinkles. It also acts as a moisturizer and aids in rejuvenation by increasing blood flow to allow nutrients and oxygen to reach skin cells. The last ingredient of this recipe is tea tree essential oil. Add 1 drop of this oil into the bowl. This oil is chock full of antioxidants that help fight wrinkles and sagging skin. It works by countering the degradation of collagen in the skin. Finally, add some of the water and thoroughly mix until they form a paste. Once the mask is completed, clean your face, then apply this mask to your face with your fingertips. Remember to avoid the eyes and mouth areas. Allow to dry for 10 minutes, then remove with warm water. Finally, wash your face with cold water and pat dry. If you want, Add a dab of olive oil or coconut oil to the skin to moisturize. Afterward,